Today, I'm going to teach you how to build a list in Apollo.io. This is incredibly useful if you're looking to organize and manage your prospecting contacts in one centralized place, making your outreach efforts much more efficient and targeted. First, you'll want to open a new browser tab and type in Apollo.io in the address bar. This will direct you straight to the Apollo website. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it to access your account. After entering your credentials and logging in, you'll be automatically directed to the Apollo dashboard. This dashboard is your main hub for all prospecting and contact management activities. Now that you're in the Apollo dashboard, it's time to start building your list. Direct your attention to the left navigation menu where all your primary tools and options are neatly organized. Scroll down until you spot the section labeled Prospect and Enrich. Click on it to reveal additional options. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you the choice between searching for people or companies. For this tutorial, we'll focus on building a list of people, so go ahead and click on People. This selection determines the type of contacts you'll be filtering and adding to your list. Under the People tab, you'll notice a comprehensive contact filter interface. This is where you define exactly what kind of contacts you're looking for. You can fill in various fields such as job title, location, industry, company size, and more, depending on your specific criteria. Take your time here to ensure your filters match the profile of the leads you want to target. As you adjust these filters, contact results will start populating on your screen in real time. This dynamic search helps you see exactly who matches your criteria before you commit to saving them. Once you've refined your search and the contact results meet your expectations, it's time to select the contacts you want to add to your list. You'll see a selector checkbox at the top of the results. Click on this header checkbox to select all visible contacts at once. Alternatively, if you prefer more control, you can manually click the checkbox next to each individual contact you wish to include. After making your selections, click on Apply to confirm your choices. This action triggers a top-side menu to appear with several options. In this top menu, look for the option that says Add to List and click on it. A drop-down window will open, presenting you with two paths. If you already have an existing list set up, you can choose it from the drop-down and add your selected contacts directly to that list. However, if you're just starting out and don't have any lists yet, you can create a brand new list right here. Simply name your list something relevant to the type of contacts it contains, and your selected contacts will be saved into this newly created list. To grow your list even larger, simply repeat this process with different filter criteria. Each time you adjust the filters, you'll uncover new contacts that match different aspects of your target audience, allowing you to build a comprehensive and diverse prospecting list. And there you have it. You've successfully built a list in Apollo.io. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.